Hey, are you a single mom and you are looking for a business opportunity that is going to give you a chance maybe to have time with your kids, maybe to help you in your financial issues, or maybe to help you in your endless mom duties when it comes to being a single mom and you are looking for something that is going to help you to achieve these goals or your dreams? Then you are at the right place, because in this video I'm going to mention or teach you about a business that you can start as a single mom and get those success stories as you being one of them and get to achieve your dream. So stay tuned as I'm going to talk about this business. To start with, as a single mom, you might have seen other success or watched other success stories of other single mom, and you are like, why am I not like them, or am I ever going to succeed like other moms who are doing well in their business? And you keep on asking yourself this question: which kind of business can I do or start for me also to have my own success stories? Now, something good is when you follow the right steps, as an entrepreneur, when you get right mentorship or when you get right skills, you are actually going to succeed in any kind of business you start. For example, people get to advise us to start a business, but you'll find in most cases they don't show us how to do that business. For example, there's some business when you start, you actually need the skills. You need maybe, let's say, the 3 or 4 month rent, you need maybe the license, or you need the capital for you to start or that business to pick. But when you find that no one is going to show you how to do that business, and that's why when you look at most of the business get to fail at the first or the very first year there they were launched. So some of these things are the one that makes maybe other people to give up in doing business, or for as a single mom then you end up getting or looking for a job. And that's why in this presentation I'm going to mention to you the business or the best business you can start in this year and get to be as a successful mom, or get to create your own story as a single mom. So which business is this you can start as a single mom and get to succeed? Now, one of my mentor, who is known as Robert Kiyosaki, has written so many books, and one of my favorite book is Rich Dad Poor Dad and The Business of 21st Century. Which business does Robert suggest that in this century, for those people who are going to involve or get started in this business, they are going to make their success stories change? Now, the business is network marketing. Now, maybe you have heard of this kind of business, or you have never done this business before. But why should you start as being a network marketer, or why should you get started in network marketing? For example, one, this business comes with so many benefits. For example, it gives you a financial freedom, it gives you time freedom, it gives you health freedom, and you are able to do this business as a single mom just like any other businesses. So as I continue, maybe you're asking yourself, what is network marketing? Or you have never done network marketing before, or maybe you have had a friend or somebody you knew before who did this kind of business, and you are like, am I able to do this kind of business? Yes, the answer is you can do this business very well and get to succeed as a single mom. Why? In this kind of business, there are always things that you are going to come through, or the benefit you are going to get. For example, there is mentorship. And under mentorship, this is where you are going to be taught, or I'm going to teach you on how to build a successful network marketing business. We also have training program, and this is where you get to learn maybe the skills you need, maybe the things you need to do, or maybe how do you present, how do you talk to people, how do you get, maybe like if someone asks you a question, how do you answer them? So you find that when you get to learn all these things and you follow the steps that you are needed, then you are going to build a very successful team, because the skills you need are not so much like, maybe let me say, maybe in corporate world, or maybe as to start a business. Like maybe, for example, during the beginning of this video I was talking about maybe when you want to launch a, maybe let's say, a traditional business, you're supposed maybe to have, let's say, maybe rent, maybe the license, or maybe the office tools. But under network marketing, the things you only need is you just need to learn how this business is done. There are no more or not complicated or so technical skills that you are needed. No, it's just the basic skills you need to learn, and you are able to build a very successful team. What do you need as a single mom, or what do you need to succeed in network marketing? Remember as I was talking before, I've seen a lot of success stories on other single moms, the events, from the stories they talk, maybe from the how they get started, or how they were mentored for them to succeed in this business. And the key things they need, or you need just as a single mom, are only three. One, you're supposed to be teachable. What do I mean by teachable? Now, when you join a network marketing company, you just need to learn how network marketing is done. It is not supposed to be so technical, or maybe you think that it is so, maybe there are many things, or maybe writing, or like for example in corporate world you need an education of 16 years, but in network marketing that is not the same way as it is in corporate world. You just need to learn how this business is done. And the good thing is, when I introduce you to my team, I'm going to teach you on how you are supposed to work, or how network marketing works. Second thing you need to have is, are you coachable? Now, what do I mean like this? If you have ever watched soccer, when coaches train their players, they get that chance to stand from a distance and watch their players do their things in the field. Now, when it comes to network marketing, a coach or a coach is someone who has introduced you into the business. Now, if it is me who has introduced you into network marketing, my role is to give you the skills and to watch you and lead you and tell you, you know what, here you went wrong, here you did right, and this is how you are supposed to do, or this is not how you are supposed to present. So those are some of the things that when I say, are you coachable, you are supposed to allow them sink into you, and you are able to play or do this business successfully. And lastly, another thing you need is, are you available? What do I mean by this? As a single mom, I understand you have other duties, maybe taking care of your kids, maybe taking them to school, maybe you need maybe like the house chores or other activities of your personal life. It doesn't mean that when you join network marketing company, you are going to have a full day in the business. No, we are actually going to set or get to agree at what best time are you available, and that is when we can schedule, let's say, a Zoom meeting or a Zoom call, and we get to train or to learn about a different skill or something new, or we get to interact as we keep on learning. So it is not a matter of you having to spend a whole day learning the business. No, it could be maybe 1 hour, 2 or 3 at most, and we get to learn something new. Finally, as I finish up, are you interested in joining network marketing? You want to join a network marketing company, or you want to learn how network marketing company works? I'm going to leave my WhatsApp contact in the description section. Let's join my WhatsApp group. I'm going to teach you and give you the basic things you need about network marketing. I'm going to present to you about network marketing. You're going to learn everything about this kind of business. So feel free, contact me right now. Otherwise, if you find something informative in this video, give it a like, subscribe, and keep on watching as I post more videos about business to start or about network marketing, waiting at the other side of this video.